visited within 90 days. But President Trump has been clear. Those tariffs against Mexico are suspended, not permanently taken off the table, which means if he is not satisfied, we could see that tariff threat return. Rachel Scott, ABC News, the White House.
Right now, a family mourning after 3 people were killed in the rising floodwaters in North Carolina. Highway patrol troopers say the car hydroplaned went off the roadway, hit a tree, and landed on its side. All 3 people then became trapped inside. Officials say there was an extensive rescue effort, but their efforts were also slowed by the rain and the dangerous conditions. Now, the floodwaters are finally starting to recede in Kansas, but that means the cleanup is just beginning in this North Little Rock community. Homeowners now trying to figure out just how much damage there is and if anything can be salvaged.
Most of them does not have flood insurance. Maybe 1 or 2 does, but I mean, it's going to be a difficult and a long process.
Yeah, lots of work to be done there. Sandbags are still around several homes. People there saying it will be weeks before they're able to get back to normal, but they say this tight-knit community will come together. It's tough to see all of that.
Yeah, but there's actually a wave of tropical weather. The storm National Hurricane Center was looking at. It did not become a tropical storm, but there's a lot of moisture from the Gulf that was influencing portions of those deep south states. And now some of that energy is coming our way, but not quite the extent. You were out today. How did it feel at the Fairfax?
It wasn't too bad.
Fairfax?
It was nice and cool. Spots of rain, but nothing we couldn't get over. Had a good
we
time out there.
Yeah, it was fun times. I got just like 14 minutes left over there at the festival. Let's talk about what's happening out there. A few raindrops on the lens right now as we look at our cameras. Depending on where you're located, we're going to continue to see some passing showers tonight. I'll tell you tomorrow, we are going to continue this pattern, but by tomorrow evening, we're going to look for a greater likelihood for some showers, and some of those could be hefty by later tomorrow. Outside, the raindrops from our tower cam in Northwest D.C., where we're sitting at 69 right now over at Reagan National Airport, 67 currently in Chantilly, Gaithersburg at 66, 66 right now, Martinsburg 68 up in Leonardtown. And you can see the progression. I mean, watch how the moisture comes from southeast to northwest. Kind of different than what you're used to, but that's because all that moisture down to the south is lifting northward. And eventually that warm front will come our way. And as opposed to being in the low 70s today, tomorrow we're going to get back into the 80s as some of that warm air moves in. Walking the dog tonight, you're going to have some muddy paws. Temperatures at 69 degrees at 7 o'clock. Same at 9 and 11, so you kind of get the idea. We're not going to see these temperatures shift that much as we head through the next couple of hours. A combination of those clouds out there in the showers, we're not going to see a big drop back in those temperatures. In the 60s, cloudy and mild with some scattered showers out there. Just kind of damp, and could be some patchy fog as well tomorrow morning, so keep that in mind as you make your way back to school. Some kids still back in school. A couple more days for my kiddos, and then we'll be in summertime. So here's the bigger picture. I want to show you just a little scattering of very light rain. But if we push right on in here, out into northwestern Loudoun County, out towards Hillsborough, you can see some of these little heftier showers there out along a 9. Moderate. When you see these yellows and oranges, it's indicative of a little bit heavier rain, but nothing strong, nothing severe. We pulled back the picture, and you can see these heavier pockets of rain from Raleigh right on up to Norfolk and Virginia Beach area, and some of this heavier band of rain action will be lifting eventually slowly northward, and that's what we'll be encountering for the day tomorrow. So here's your futurecast through the overnight. Some periods of rain, more of the same, clouds, fog, drizzle, and damp. But tomorrow, especially into the afternoon, notice some of these yellows and oranges. We could have some heavier pockets of rain. Not looking like severe, although there could be some rumbles of thunder, but these could be some heavy rainers that could put down a couple inches of rain in a short amount of time and could lead to some flash flooding concerns even late tomorrow night. But by Tuesday morning, the clouds start to part. Low 70s, low humidity. It gets so much nicer as we head into the next couple of days. How much are we talking? Anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch locally, with some spots maybe even pushing 2. Something we'll be keeping a close eye on for that flood potential. The extended 7-day forecast shows Tuesday improving, partly to mostly sunny. One of my best days of the week there, near 80 degrees. Wednesday pretty solid as well. Wednesday's rain comes at night. Thursday a few showers, and right now heading up to Father's Day weekend. Warming back up again. Dry Friday, Saturday. Maybe a few showers for Father's Day, but it's still 7 days away, so we can finesse that forecast.
Just get that out of there so we can have a nice Father's Day brunch.
Just remember, you let Dad kick back, and Dad does nothing that whole weekend.
At least you have a reason not to go out and cut the grass if it does rain on Father's Day.
Why do we have kids? To do the lawn.
There you go. There you go.
That's a big day.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Brian. Well, the Nationals didn't have to worry about any rain around here, right? They're out west, trying to handle business, right?
Sunny San Diego taking on the Padres. Always a good time out there. The Nationals continue their uphill climb through the National League East Division and help themselves today with a bang. Actually, not just one, but multiple. A feast at the plate we haven't seen since 2017. The party in San Diego that's coming up in sports. Keep it locked.
You'll give the men in your life a gift as great as they are. Good on you. This Father's Day at Men's Warehouse, take 60% off all casual wear. Select designer sport coats are $179.99, plus all dress shirts are 3 for $99.99. Now through Sunday, find the perfect gift. Only at Men's Warehouse.
Do you feel the need to keep climbing, even when you've reached the top? Do you appreciate everything you have, but still want to do more? You do, when you're free. Set yourself free in a Jeep Grand Cherokee at the Jeep Celebration event.
Financing at $3,750 total cash allowance on select 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee models and dealer stock.
Hurry in for the lowest prices of the season sale at Sims Furniture in nearby Fredericksburg. Store-wide savings of 40 to 50% off MSRP, plus up to 70% off selected floor models. Shop the finest names in furniture: Hancock & Moore, Sherrill, Century, Hickory Chair, Hickory White, Lillian August.